why do we take our shoes off inside? Owlo, I'm here! Let me just take my shoes off, because Mom says I always have to leave them outside.
Good morning, Koko. I'm glad you remembered. Come inside quickly. It's really cold today.
But Owlo, why exactly? My shoes aren't even dirty. I only just put them on.
It looks that way, but looks can fool you. Would you like to investigate that yourself?
Yes, but how do we do that? I can't see anything dirty on my soles.
Exactly, and that's the whole point. Come, let's go to the science room. I'll show you something special. Look, this is a microscope. With it, you can see tiny things that your eyes normally can't.
Wow, that thing looks just like a robot with one big eye.
Now, rub your shoe over this white cloth. Then we'll place the cloth under the microscope.
Okay, the cloth just looks plain white to me. I don't see anything weird at all.
Now take a look through the microscope, Koko. Tell me, what do you see?
Yuck! There are all these tiny dots and spots on it. Where do those come from?
Those are bacteria and bits of dirt. They stick to your shoe soles when you walk outside.
Bacteria? What exactly are those things, Owlo?
Bacteria are teeny tiny living creatures. They are so small that you can never see them with your bare eyes.
And they just walk right inside with me, without me even noticing at all?
Exactly. With every step outside, your shoe collects new bacteria and more bits of dirt.
But do we get sick from all those bacteria on the floor?
Not always, but some bacteria can give you a tummy ache or other problems, especially in small children.
And little kids like my cousin Finn are always crawling on the floor. He puts everything in his mouth, too.
That's a really clever example, Koko. That's why a clean floor matters extra when little children are around.
Last week, Finn drove his toy cars all over the floor, and then he stuck them in his mouth.
And now you know why your mum and dad say the shoes must stay outside.
But Owlo, is there more that shoes drag inside, or is it only bacteria?
Good question. Shoes also bring in pesticides. Those are chemicals you find on streets and in parks.
Pesticide sounds like a really scary name. What do those things do?
They are used to keep weeds and insects away outside, but you really don't want them inside your home.
So shoes basically bring a whole world of mess inside with them.
Well said. A clean doorstep keeps your home healthier for everyone in the family.
Now I understand why Mom always looks so strict when I keep my shoes on.
She's just taking good care of you all. That's exactly what good parents do.
I'm going to thank her later, and I'll protect Finn too, like a real big cousin.
That sounds like a really good plan, Koko. Now, can you tell me what we learned today?
Okay, if you keep your shoes on inside, you drag bacteria and dirty stuff in from outside. They are too small to see, but they really are on your soles. They can make people sick, especially little kids like Finn. So taking your shoes off at the door is actually really smart. Maybe I'll also find out why we wash our hands after playing outside, because those probably aren't as clean as they look either.
I am so proud of you, Koko. See you next time. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to get the free AskOwlo app for more stories. And don't forget to subscribe so we can make even more.